Hello guys, welcome to Tech Kizak's channel, and in today's episode we're gonna learn the following topics and you can find the timestamp in the description box. So let's start. Hello guys, welcome to Excel City. Are you new to Excel and do you want to turn your number into visual instantly? Let's talk about conditional formatting data bars today in Excel. So I have data in which I have employee name and their monthly sales. So I want to visually improve this data. So I can add data bars in the sales column to visually improve it. So what I need to do is I need to select my monthly sales column, and then under the home tab here we got conditional formatting. And in my previous video I have told you about other rules in conditional formatting like highlight cells rule and top and bottom rule. Now we will learn about data bars today. So we have two types of data bars. One is gradient fill and one is solid fill. So let's try gradient fill first. So this will add a color data bar to represent the value in the cell. The higher the value, the longer the bar. Gradient will be mix of two colors, for example white color mixed with blue or white color mixed with green. Let's like this, and now here you can see we have gradient data bars. But for example, I want to add solid fill data bars. So I will select solid. This is only just a solid color as you can see here. But I like more the gradient fill data bars. So I will select gradient green fill as you can see. And if you don't like these colors, you can go to manage modules, and here you can change the color. You can hide the numbers. For example, you can hide the number and you can even change the color mix as well. But for now, let's just change the color. So you can add any color you like. You can even create your own color. For now, let's try this color and then show bar only and then select OK. As here you can see it will only show the bar. It will not show the number. So hopefully you understand how to simply use data bars in conditional formatting in Excel and how to manage more rules. Hopefully you understand today's use of data bar. Press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Hello guys, are you new to Excel? Welcome to Excel series. As we are learning about conditional formatting in our previous video, we will continue learning about conditional formatting. So I have this data in which I have employee names and their performance score. And if somebody had to analyze this data, then he had to spend time on it to look who got the highest score and who had the lowest score. So let's improve this data visually by using conditional formatting. To select our performance score from B2 until B11 and then go to conditional formatting. And as we have already learned about highlight cell rules, top bottom rules, data bars, today we will learn about color scale. So we have some presets options here. Let's select green, yellow and red. This will apply a color gradient to a range of cells. The color indicates where each value falls within the range. So here you can see as I have applied the color scale. So dark green will be the highest value, and then light green will be the lowest value, then the highest, and so on. And then red will be the lowest value of all. So anybody wants to analyze the data, we can quickly say which one is highest performance score and which one is the lowest and which one is in the middle. So to improve data visually for quick analysis is very important. You can do this by using simple options in Excel which are already preset, and then you can also go to more rules, and here you can choose your own color, and you can even choose the highest value or the number or percent or formula, whichever you like. So hopefully you understand today how to simply use color scale to visually improve your data in just a few seconds. If you want to learn more about Excel, press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Hello guys, are you new to Excel? Welcome to Excel series. Today we will learn about icon sets in conditional formatting. So I have this point data in which I have employee and then performance score. This data is not good visually. So let's improve this visually by adding some icons in here. So let's go to conditional formatting under home tab. As we have already learned about all these highlight cell rule, top bottom rules, data bars and color scale. Now we will learn about icon sets. They're very easy to learn and very simple to use. So for example, I want to add some traffic light icons in my data to visually improve it. So here we have directional arrows. We have some 3 arrows. We have 3 triangles, and then we have 4 arrows, and then we have 5 arrows, and then we have ray arrows, and then these are color one, they will change color depending on the values. And then we have shapes. The most suitable shapes I will use for this one is 3 traffic lights, but we have other options as well. And then we have indicators, and then we have rating options. So let's choose 3 traffic lights for now. So here you can see I have put traffic lights. Now visually I can tell which one is the highest value. Okay, 93 is the highest value, and then 81 and 84, and the lowest value are 50, 55, and 62. Now let's improve this a little bit more by going to conditional formatting and then add data bars as well. Let's add gradient data bars. As you can see here now, they look more visually good now, and anybody can tell which one is the highest score and which one is the lowest score. So hopefully you understand how to use icon sets, and then you can even go to icon sets and go to more rules. Here you can assign the value, so when it should be green and when it should be yellow, and you can assign different values, and you can even choose the type, percent number, formula, percentile. So hopefully you understand how to simply icon sets like traffic lights and board together to visually improve your data. This can be used to visually help the performance scores, for example, for students and in offices and so many other things. Hopefully you understand today's topic, and if you want to keep learning about Excel, please follow for more videos and don't forget to like this video. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, welcome to Excel series. If you are new, you need to watch this series. Today, I have this data, I have employee name, and then I have monthly sales. But this is a very boring data. Let's make it clean and smart with some clicks by using format as a table. So under your home tab, you got this option, format as a table. You must be thinking what this option does. So let's start. So I have this boring data. Let's make it nice and clean. Click anywhere inside your data and come over here. And here you have some different styles, preset styles like light, medium, and dark modes. So let's select medium one, let's select green one, and then you will get this option. It is showing your data range that you want to convert this table into. You want to convert this data into table, and then this option, my table has a header. And yes, my table has a header. So I will select this option and click OK. Now here you can see it instantly converted my data into a table. Now I can click anywhere here, and then now whenever I will click inside the table design will open up. Here I have some options. Here I have different presets where I can select other style. Let's select orange, and see you can see we have orange now. There are so many benefits of formatting data as a table, as we got these options now, and we can also change the name of the table, so it will be better when we are using these tables in formulas and be easier to locate these tables. And then we got these options of summarize, remove duplicates, insert slicer, and other things. And we got this option of filter button as well. As we can see here, we have filter option now, so we can filter our data without extra step. And this will also benefit in automatic range expansion. Table will grow automatically as you add new rows here. For example, if I add something here, then if I press enter, it will grow automatically according to the format and color I have already applied. And then we can also do instant styling by just selecting our table, and better charts, chart links to table update automatically when new data is added, and we will have cleaner data entry. Tables are not just prettier, they are smarter. They update, expand, and calculate for you automatically. So hopefully you have learned how to add data as a table. In my next video, we will learn about table design column, that what we can do with a table. If you like this video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Hello guys, are you new to Excel? Welcome to Excel series. As we were learning about format data as a table, today we will learn about new table style. So click anywhere in your data and go to format as a table. You have some already preset to create a table. For example, let's try this, and we will get this option, create table. It is showing your data range, and then there is option my table as a header. As my table has a header, so I will click this option and then select OK. Now here you can see it converted my data into a table. But what is the other option here? New table style. If we click on this, now here we have some table elements. We have whole table, or we have first column or second column and first row or second row. For example, we have a header row here, so we can preset the style for header row. So we are creating our own style for the table. So we click on header row and then go to format. Here we can change the font type. We can make it bold, as we don't have any text here, so that's why the font, we cannot change the font. And then we have color. We can select any color we want. Let's select blue. And then we have field. We can choose the field, for example this color, and we have some pattern color, but for now we will change this, and then select OK. This is table style 1. We can even change the name of the style and then select OK. Now here when we click in our table and go to format as a table, we have a custom design here. So if we select this, it has selected the custom design for us. So hopefully you understand what is a new table style option. It lets you create your own table style. And then we have pivot table style as well. Style we can use with pivot tables. So hopefully you understand what is this option and how to use this option. If you like this video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Hello guys, welcome to Excel series. Today we will learn about how to convert your normal data range into a table. So click anywhere in your data, then under the home tab, go over to format as a table, and when you click this, you have some preset options here. So you can select any option. For example, I will select this option, and then I got this pop-up. You're saying where is the data for your table, and if it's telling me about my data range, and then this option, my table has a header. I have checked this option because I have header, and then I will select OK. Now this converted my data into a table, and these filters appear as well. You can remove these filter options as well if you don't like them. Just go over to the sort and filter. Just click on the filter again. Now you don't have that filter option. You can do that again by clicking on the filter option again. Now we had this data. If we click on this data, before we don't have anything here, but when we click on the table, we had this now table design. If we go here, first of all, we have table name. So we can give this table any name. For example, let's change the name of this table. So I have changed the name of this table to employee sales 1, and then press enter. Now the name of this table is employee sales 1. This will help us when we write formula, so we can refer to this table easily. And then we have some other options as well. We have summarize with pivot table. We'll talk about this option after. First we will use the simpler option. For example, let's use remove duplicates. So I have duplicate in this table. Let's click on this, and I do have duplicates in this. So I want duplicate in employee monthly sales. I want to look for the duplicate in both columns, and then select OK. So 3 duplicate values have been found and they are removed, and 10 unique value remain. Note that counts may include empty cells, spaces, etc. And then select OK. Now all the extra duplicate rows were removed, and even we can convert this table into range. First I told you how to convert a range into table. Now I'm telling you about converting into range. So click on this one. Do you want to convert this table into normal range? Then select OK. It's converted. This is not table anymore. How we can tell? If we click on this, nothing will appear here like it used to come before, like table design, but now this is not table. So hopefully you understand some basic options of table. If you like this video, click the like button and follow for more videos like this.